Hey guys, just figured I'd stop here mid-process and show you the grill we're putting together for this truck. As you can see there, we've synchronized all four Lin 6 amber clears to synchronize together on an amber white alternation, and they're also kind of X patterned. I did that. Let me try to see if I can show you a little bit in the front there. See how it's X patterned? Let me show you around the back of the grill how we did this, and we just have it mocked up on our test bench right now. I always suggest to mock everything up before you install it. So all I did was roll the grill forward for you, and you can see here's our power wire here. It's going to be taking out the passenger side of the grill area up around to the auxiliary switches. We cut a little ABS plastic to use as a backer, and we put our Lin 6s right through the holes that were already existing here. So we did not have to enlarge any of these holes, just cut a little bit of plastic backer. I ran a wire from here right through the middle here. I left a little slack here just in case anything ever had to be changed. You could always pop this off. I use some black hot melt, industrial hot melt glue. It holds the wire in really nicely. We locked it into these clips so it will be invisible when the grill is set back in the truck. And we ran that over to here. We connected it up with these two, ran the little extra wire right into here, and we're in that way with it. And then this is the end result. Right in the front, you get a nice clean mount. You could use a different area, I guess, if you liked. I wanted to keep it towards the middle because the headlights will be going with their DRL auto flasher kit. So there's a little quick thing on the grill. I hope this info was useful to you.